Hello, hello, hello. I pray you're doing wonderful this morning, this evening, whatever time you get to watch this. So here is a little short talk through tutorial on how I do my wash and goes. This is being done on freshly washed hair. I'm not going to use a spray bottle because, again, it's literally freshly washed. I'm using one product and it's by the Dew. And as you can see, I'm using the product to detangle. I'm only using a comb to separate my hair. And because I'm not raking through the hair too much, as you can see, I detangle and just kind of separate. That gives me a clumpier curl. So these clips that I'm using, this is to stretch the hair, even though I'm going to diffuse the hair. And this is the diffuser attachment. I use that first, quickly blow dried it on a cool setting. Next, I'm using the hot setting right here to stretch it out a little bit, just the top area, because I want to give it the illusion of having shorter hair around the sides and longer on the top. That's it. I hope that this was helpful. Until the next video, be blessed.